Alright, this video is in response to a comment on my first video. This is about 5 years after I did this bit of work, so I've just opened the bonnet here to have a look, and I've still got the two fuel filters sitting here. This is the aftermarket check valve installed in the return line, and I've just reoriented these so they're both vertical. And the idea, I think, being if we're getting any fuel leaking from the fuel pump, it might accumulate in this one. Likewise, if it was coming from the check, it might be accumulating in this one. There's no fuel in either. There hasn't been. I've never seen any fuel in them since I changed the check valve. The ticking sound's gone away. Probably time for me to get rid of this arrangement and just plug this bottom hose directly back onto the fuel pump, especially as this is starting to crack up here. But I think changing that check valve, we can safely say fix this problem without the need to really do anything in the fuel pump.